Hi. Oh, yeah, I just moved in. And I didn't see anyone the day I came with the caretaker. And even the day I moved in with most of my properties, I never saw anyone.
Oh, it's all right.
All right.
Could he be the one Ketika was talking about in WhatsApp group? I'm not sure. Let me just...
Hello, Marcella.
Hi, Ketika.
Good day.
Good day. I just sent a picture to your WhatsApp now. Okay, can you check it, please?
Yes, he's the one.
Oh, perfect. So that's the guy. I just wanted to be sure. That's why I sent the picture. Sorry. All right, thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
So we have a new neighbor then. It's not looking bad. Hi. Can I help you with your bag?
Oh, no, thank you.
Okay. I'm Sela.
My name is Steve. I just moved in.
Okay. So you're welcome to our neighborhood.
Yeah, thank you. I think I like it here already.
Okay. All right. So I'll see you around. Are you okay?
Ah, nothing.
What? Okay. All right. Bye. Wow.
Boy, oh boy. Dr. Phil. Oh, my mail? Oh, I didn't know you had sent me a mail. I was just busy packing. Let me look through it real quick. Yeah, I'm with you. Okay, when you go through it, you see the details that's expected. Please pick them up. We are short of time. Hello? Oh my God. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Is she tempting me? Oh yeah. Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay. So go through it and get back to me. You know what? Let me just call you back, okay? All right. All right.
Okay. I don't like this one. Okay.
Is she tempting me?
Hi. How long have you been there?
Been here long enough to notice how ravishing and beautiful you look.
Thank you. Okay, so what do you want? Do you like what you see? Do you like what you see?
Yes.
Then come get me.
Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Oh, ti woropoto. Hey, Stella.
Hi.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I am. I'm going to the market. I need to get some ingredients for soup.
Soup.
Yeah.
I like soup, especially with the right swallow. You know what I mean?
I actually don't, but I think I understand. All right, I'll see you when I get back. All right?
In the water, and I can't say myself to go easy on me. Yeah, hello? Who's this? It's you again. What do you have to say this time? First of all, I am not your baby. Secondly, I have moved out and I have moved on. And I suggest you do the same. Don't call this line again. Stupid ass girl. Calling me baby. Oh, hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
So you said you like soup?
Yeah?
So I made vegetable soup.
Wow, don't tell me.
So we can eat this together.
Wow. Fantastic. Come on. This here.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Let me get some more words.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. sit?
Yeah, you can sit, please. Okay, I need to hurriedly get my phone. I'll be back.
Okay, then I'll wait for you.
Yeah, I'll be back in a jiffy. I'm coming.
Okay.
All right.
Hi. So the food is ready. I thought I should come and give you this before joining me to eat the main food. So what are you saying?
Who am I to say no? This is nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
It's called the EKANEM soup.
Never had this before. It's really nice. So, tell me, where you from? What do you do? And
And am I in a relationship and blah blah blah, right?
how do you know I was going to ask that?
I know, right?
It's like you took it out of my mind.
I know.
Okay. Well, are you going to answer the questions or I should figure it out myself?
I will suggest we finish eating, then we'll talk about it.
I see. Okay. You win.
Okay, so
You filled up?
yeah, I still have more in the fridge. to
Okay.
eat.
Sorry I can't see you. My hands are full.
It's fine. So I'll see you in the morning.
All right.
Enjoy yourself.
Easy.
Yeah.
Man, this is good food.
Hi, baby. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was having dinner and I didn't know my phone was ringing. What's up? Yeah, I'm fine. I just got in, yeah. I miss you too. Okay, so can I go have my bath now? Don't go there. Don't go there. Remember the last time we had a bath together, right? You are so naughty. I don't want to start fantasizing, okay? Okay, baby, can I go have my bath now? Yeah, sure, I will. So you can talk me to sleep. Okay, bye. Mwah. I need to change. Let's take my bath right now. So hot.
Man, this is good food. Good food. The thing about women with big behind is they just make the perfect cooks. I mean, beauty, brains, big behind. You can't beat that. You know what? I think I'm just going to put the rest of this in the refrigerator, yeah? I'll eat it later. Okay, let me just... Oh, this is nice. Nice. Thank God I'm alone. Okay, let me take this first. I'll come back for this one. Kai. What did she call it? Huh? Hey, what are you doing here? I thought you had gone to bed.
I met your door open and I realized you're in the bathroom, washing down.
Yeah, I like to wash down.
So can I smell it?
No, because it's just not like that.
Oh.
Oh, come on, Steve. Is this lust or love? What is wrong with you? Is she even feeling the way you're feeling? Yeah, this has got to stop. I'm sure she's already in dreamland. And I'm here monitoring and following her up and down.
Hi, neighbor. Good morning.
Hey, morning. Good morning. I see you're working out.
Yeah, you're working out too, right?
Yeah, I'm working out.
All right.
Fuck. Hey,
Hey,
C to
hi.
the E, L, and
Hi.
A. How are you?
I'm good. You going out?
Yeah, I have a quick meeting with some clients, and I'll be back in a few minutes.
Get something when you're coming back.
Of course, I am a gentleman.
Gentleman indeed.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay. All right.
One more thing. Can I get your number? You know, I just might need it in case of an emergency or anything.
Emergency? Like,
Look, okay, fine. It's not like I'm praying for an emergency to happen, all right? These things happen, so just saying, just in case.
okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So I'll give you a call.
Okay. All right. Take care. Be careful.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Should I wear this? I think I'll need a dress for this if I'm wearing this. No, no, no. It's not gonna work. Should I look for something colorful? What should I do? Yeah, I remember this. Wow. Okay. This should be perfect. Yeah. Okay. Who's that?
Sorry, I can see.
Hi, caretaker.
Hi, Marcella. How are you doing?
I'm good.
This is Rita. She's moving in soon.
Oh, wow.
That is Marcella. She's one of the tenants.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Marcella.
Hi, Rita.
Yeah. You good?
I'm good. Welcome.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Um, yeah. This evening by 4. Before 4, I'll send the documents. All right. Thank you, sir. All right. Bye.
Like it?
This is very spicy.
Yeah.
You have a new neighbor.
A new neighbor? What does he or she look like? Troublesome? Cute? Handsome? Or beautiful?
I saw a wedding ring on her finger, so I believe she's married.
Okay, it's not like I wanted to do anything.
I believe you actually. Because I've been here since. What have you done to me? Nothing. Come in.
Is she expecting me to make a move?
Yes, baby. I want you to make a move on me.
Oh, you're here.
Yeah. So come here. Because I've been here since. What have you done to me? Do you like what you see?
She's everywhere in my mind, in my thoughts, and even my dreams. I must get her. I must. Marcella, I think we should be together because I have feelings for you. And since I moved into this compound, I noticed you've been all over. That would sound rude. Or what if I just go there and grab her ass, kiss her lips? And who knows, she might just kiss me too. Let me try.
Yeah, who's there? Come in if it's Steve. But if it's not Steve, please wait.
When life gives you lemons, make lemonades. If she says Steven should come upstairs, then Steven goes upstairs, right? Oh yeah. I better lock the door because we don't want any distractions. That's life. Oh, hi.
Hey, hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, let me help you with that.
Really?
Yes, I like to comb hair. It's therapeutic. Yes.
Okay. You still combing the hair?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure? Steve? Steve,
Oh, yeah, the hair. The hair.
are you okay?
Hi, Stella. Hi. Hi.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
You don't seem okay. You're acting weird. Anyways, let's go to the movies. Are you free?
Oh, yes, I absolutely am free.
Okay. So how do I look?
Ravishing.
Thank you. So can we go now?
I just need to wear something first.
Okay, that's fine. I'll wait for you outside.
Okay.
Okay.
That was close. That was so close. But why do I keep having these imaginations like they're real? That was so livid. Oh, come on, Stevie, keep imagining. It just might happen soon. Shout out my nigga Stevie. Shout out my nigga Stevie. Shout out my nigga Stevie.
Steve? Steve?
Hey. Hey, baby. Oh,
Babe.
sorry, Marcella.
I think I like the baby doll. But do you have feelings for me, Steve? Would you want to see us together in bed naked? Maybe kissing, cuddling? Come on, shoot your shot.
Now I'm convinced. She's feeling me too.
Steve, if you shoot your shot, the bullet will get so close and then return back and hit you. You know why? I have a man and I don't want to cheat on him. So can we go now?
Oh, really? All right then, let's go.
Mom, Dad, how can I help?
Well, come on, just go to your room and rest, okay? Come. You need all the rest you can get. Your mom and I we're capable of handling everything, okay?
Upstairs.
Such a wonderful being.
Yeah, just like her father.
Some people at the gate.
Yeah, let me get that.
So that lady thought we were a couple. Which means I am not insane. I can't be the only one saying this. Yes. Yeah, hello?
Wow. What a day. But why would Rita think I and Steve look good together? I don't understand. Does it mean a lady and a guy can be friends? I don't know. Anyways, that's our thoughts.
Every slightest opportunity you have, you want to show the whole world how daft you are.
You're a fool.
You're a goat.
You're a fool.
You don't have sense.
You're mannerless.
You see a man and a woman, and then the next thing you're asking is he your husband? Can't you be mature for once in your life?
Shut up your mouth. Can't you be more mature?
Oh, so me, I'm not mature. Me, I'm not matured like this, Abi. You don't have sense.
You are senseless.
You are not poor.
Shut up your mouth, my friend Onyala. Madman.
Look, don't come and embarrass me.
You're a pig, my friend. Shut up.
You show people that you have mad cow disease.
Look at you. Who is embarrassing who? You are embarrassing your generation. You know that.
Carry your mad cow disease and get out of here.
Stupid ape. Look at you. Ochak Omaka. You want to come and bring body for me? Shut up! Yeah. I'm feeding you in this house. Fool.
Your wife will be fool.
Let me hear your mouth again.
What will happen?
Shut up! Shut up your mouth. I'm talking and you're talking.
What? That's so nice. Okay, please, can I call you back? Or you can call me back in a minute. Yeah, I'm having a call. All right, thank you. Why does he keep calling me?
She just hurry up. Every time fights. I don't know where they enjoy fighting. As if it gives them joy.
You heard me right. What? Asubiko Kafo.
What is it?
What was the meaning of that?
What was the meaning of
No,
that?
what was the meaning of that?
Look, if there's something you want to say, why don't you just say
shameless
it?
man. Look at you. Listen. This will be the last time you will ever speak to me in the presence of my daughter like that again. Did you hear me? If you try it again, I will finish you.
Wait, you'll finish me.
You heard me right.
What is there to finish? You have finished me already. Oh yes, you have finished me with your witchcraft and your wickedness. Oh, you think I don't know?
Me.
You think I don't know you're a witch, eh?
Me.
You have elevated
You are
to the level of a
wizard.
church. You fly at night. Oh yes, I know.
You are a wizard.
It is not me you will deceive.
I bind and cast.
It is that bind and cast that
You
will
and
kill
your fellow wizard. I'm going to destroy
It's
this
that coven
night.
that will kill you.
Look at
It is
you,
that coven
wicked
that will
man.
kill you, wicked man.
Shameless
kill you
man.
there. My friend, get
You don't
away.
have shame.
You are shameless.
Woo,
Woo, kill you there too.
Look at you.
Look at you
Hey,
too.
You be parading yourself.
You be parading yourself
think
too.
you're a man.
You think you're a
You're not
woman.
a man.
You're not a
You're a
woman.
yam.
Don't stop shouting
You're a
like a
cooked
blue.
yam.
Stop shouting
Shut
like a
up your
bulldog.
mouth.
People are listening. We're going out.
Shut up.
First time you be backing like a bulldog.
Shut up. Are you not the mad dog?
I better get out.
Useless man. You don't have shame.
You're not going to embarrass me this way.
Shameless man.
Antelope.
Useless man.
Baby, we're running late.
Okay, baby, I'm coming. Useless man. Okay.
Sometimes I wonder if my parents are Nollywood actors. This means you're fighting.
Baby, we're running late. Hurry up, my love. Oh, damn. Look at you.
You know?
Can you do me a 360, babe?
Come on. You like it?
You're beautiful, babe. God bless me with you, you know.
This means you're laughing. I just don't understand.
Good
Morning, neighbors.
Good morning, neighbor.
Good morning, neighbor. How'd you do? How was your night?
Good. Love one tinty. Me too go find love too, though.
Oh, of course. At the right time.
Yeah, sure. You can say that.
Oh. Okay, actually, I heard voices, so I said people were quarreling, so I thought I should come and check.
Voices?
Yeah.
Voices.
Like,
No, that must be our neighbor. Yes.
Yeah, I think.
Of course. There's a dog before ours.
You know what I think? It might be the prayer. Yeah.
Yes.
The prayer.
Nice. I'm so sorry, my bad. We were casting and binding the
Oh, yeah. You were in the spirit.
baby.
I know.
You need to be a pastor.
Oh, you
honestly.
think so?
My husband.
okay.
He's very good.
Yeah, okay, okay. All right. I just thought
Have,
I should.
have a lovely day,
Okay.
neighbor.
My good neighbor. So,
Okay.
baby, do you want me to drive or you want to drive? Which one?
I'll drive.
You drive.
Yeah,
Okay.
just come this way.
Baby, what are you doing in the car?
I'm just being a gentleman for my
No, go to the back.
Oh,
My
okay.
baby.
One gentleman and two ladies. Mm.
Who's there? Could it be Marcella? I'm coming. Marcella?
Hey, baby. This one, they mad. Who be your baby? I better come off for road. Hey, baby, who be your baby?
Kaz, look at the time. Isn't it too early for you to be in my house? And by the way, how did you find my address?
How did I get your address? You dey mad? Not be me show you this compound.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah. Take this one.
But even at that, what are you doing in my house by this time?
You two, they ask many questions. Which one you dey? Okay, fine. I run come off for house. I like give my girl say I dey go one kind function like that because I wahala too much. I don't tire. Abba. I say ma just come here, come chill small. That kind of thing.
You like for your guest to go on function. My house resemble function.
Yes, your house resemble function.
Okay. I could just go upstairs. I could carry my phone, call your babe, tell her say you there.
They don't pull you, man. Try am. You mad. You try am now. Idiot.
Shut up.
Meanwhile, guy, see. I arrange hot, fresh bread. Yes, sir. So what you go do now be say, you go enter inside kitchen. You get egg now. They always get egg in here. Just arrange one kind make sense egg sauce. We will just take this thing down. No time again. Let's start from there because guy, don't got the work. We'll start from there first before we enter any other matter. Go, I beg.
Now, I want to say na Appa signature bread. Now you buy. Now wait make I just one chopper.
You know now.
Hungry man. Ma feed
I
me.
agree. Feed me, I beg, guy. I beg.
Casca.
Hey, my man.
The girls them die.
Hey, you know this already.
Hello, Silla. How are you? So, quick one, yeah? I want to make egg sauce, and I have this hot, fresh bread. Do you care for some?
Why not? I beg run, I dey come.
Okay, then come over.
Alpha, you done ready?
Oh, no. You get this fine girl with you come, eh? So she go cook am. Meanwhile, when she comes, just tell her nice things about me. Eh? Just to tell her better things. Tell her say I be nice guy. Say my ex don't break my heart before. You understand? Say I cool. Say me she agree. You understand? Bad guy.
But you are not a nice person now.
You try and be a nice person.
Yeah.
Oh, what's happened?
I don't know, my eye. You get something will enter. They try to come out and sense. I beg, see if you hear me, just blow on, I beg. Just blow for me.
Okay.
Whoa. I didn't know you're into guys.
What do you mean? I was just trying to remove something from his stupid eyes.
Whoa. Into what? No. Come on, not at all. Wait. So, even if I was into guys, will I settle for this one? Hell no.
So,
Hi, beautiful.
hi.
My name is Kaz. I'm rich, handsome, and good in bed.
Ooh. the good in bed for me, though.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, so what's up, guys?
Oh, we're good. Chilling.
Actually, she was on her way to the kitchen to go make the food.
Okay.
You're cute.
And you're beautiful.
I tell you, see, make you talk to babe for me. They go to tell and say, dig good in bed.
Introduction.
Dig good in bed. You are good in bed. My name is Gaza. I'm good in bed.
Introduction. Nah.
Hey.
Hey.
Listen to me. You saw nothing. You heard nothing. As a matter of fact, I am into girls, okay? Thank you.
I actually thought you were gay.
Say it again.
You heard me.
Say that again.
I said I thought you were gay.
Say that again.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
The neighbors.
Very good neighbors.
Boise baby.
So, I'm just gonna leave you to finish up what you're doing.
Okay.
Right. See you later, baby.
All right, babe. Did I just call you babe?
Yes, you did, and I heard it.
All right.
Sorry guys, I need to take this call. It is work related.
Okay.
Please, Kaz, don't poison my food.
Oh dear, get out. Imagine this.
Yeah, hello? Yes, I saw it.
You keep staring.
Yes, that's because I like the way you eat.
Oh yeah?
I also like what you're wearing.
Oh, thank you. I can get one of these for you.
I won't mind.
And you like the way I eat here? You know, I can eat you up like this. Oh yes, I'm very talented in the other room.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, so where do we start from?
Say no more. Let's go.
Sorry, babe.
My name is Kaz. I'm rich, handsome, and good in bed.
The good in bed for me though.
Salah!
You!
Steve, calm down. Steve, just calm down.
Oh, I am calm.
Sorry, do it normally now.
It's okay. Shut up. Relax, bro.
Steve, don't do that. You're going to kill him. Steve! What are you doing? Ah! Steve! What's that? Are you sure he's not dead? Steve! Ah! Steve, stop. Come on now. Hold! Ah! Are you okay, Steve?
Yes, I'm very much okay.
Okay.
Guy, you sure say you do okay?
Okay. Thank you so much for the breakfast. And I'll see you some other time, Kaz.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
All right, Sela, bye. Take care of yourself,
You
okay?
too.
All right. Good. Huh? Can I ask you? Look, you dey look happy. You dey actually dey chop this social sweet. I ask you something, answer me now. Wetin dey worry this one? What day? You look for what? Boy. Oh! That's it. Winner's chap. Hey, my brother. It's so good, man. That's so good. Yeah. Meanwhile, if finally she not agree for you, just let me know now.
And why will I do that?
So I can come and try my luck now. Which kind of question with that?
What's the meaning of that? Relax. See the look on your face.
I fear now.
Winners
chapel now. No clashing. I tell you for you. Awawa.
Oh. And that is it. Done and dusted. Yeah. Hey, yo, Kaz. What's up? Oh, Champions League. I forgot. I totally forgot. My cable subscription is expired and Okay, you know what? I'll just watch it at Stella's house. Okay? After the match, I'll call you. All right. Stella.
Hey, neighbor.
Hey, Mr.
Azu.
Azu.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How was work today?
Fine, no. I was wondering if your cable is working, all right? I'd like to see this match.
Champions League, yeah?
Of course.
Unfortunately, my subscription expired. But I'm going to Stella's house to watch the match.
Can I come?
Of course. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Stella! You have visitors, oh. This ball now. Hey! Oh!
Yes! Yes! Now, Patrick. Go! Go! I told you! Go! Hey! Like, if he hadn't missed that goal, would have been telling a different story.
I lost my bet.
It's normal. I told you we were going to lose. You just didn't want to listen.
Hi, neighbors.
Hi.
Hey, baby. Hi.
Baby,
Hi.
you're naughty. I've been looking for you since.
Oh, sorry. I went to see the match at her place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was amazing. Yes, it was amazing. So did you miss me so much? Of course.
You're very stupid. Where are you coming from?
What do you mean, where am I coming
Where
from?
are you coming from? Where are you coming from? You, this man, you will not kill me.
What is wrong with you?
You will not kill me.
What is wrong with you?
Where are you coming from?
What are you doing?
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
What are you doing now? What is your problem? What is your problem?
What do you mean? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from by this time of the night? I'm asking you.
Wow. It feels good to be loved. And to love. And to be in love with, with someone.
Okay. I hope you're really in love.
Good night, neighbor.
Good night. What is wrong with these people again? One minute they are happy, the next minute they are quarreling. I just hope this time around it's prayer. Who will lead them to this school now? Wow. After I'm single, what's my business?
Dad? Is Mom not eating?
Come on, you know your mom is not a foodie like you and I. She'll be fine.
I think I'm done. I'll wait for you by the car.
Okay. I'll join you soon.
Okay. Good morning, Aunt.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Can I join you?
Yes, but not today.
Why not?
You're going to school, darling. So if you join me now, you're going to sweat. Why don't we do it on Saturday or Sunday before service?
Saturday then.
Good. All right, Saturday.
Bye.
Bye. Don't look for trouble.
Okay, Auntie.
Hello? Yeah, today. Sure. All right. But I need money. And these people are not even ready to pay salary. What am I supposed to do now?
You are still here.
Babe, can I borrow some money from you?
Money. I don't have.
Come on, babe, but you just pay this salary now. I'll give you back.
Oga, I said I don't have. Please hurry up. Don't waste my time. 30 seconds or I leave. You know me. Baby, you did not brush your hairline.
I forgot to.
You forgot. Let's go. You're late.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Marcel. What's up?
I'm fine.
Night.
Splendid. How was yours too?
What's up, as you can see?
I can imagine. I heard your voice last night, and seeing you this morning, you're really glowing.
Come on, I glow regardless. Yeah, about last night, it's something a single lady like you won't really understand. Yeah. Have a nice day.
Okay. Hi. Bye, baby.
I know she has that money, she just won't give me wickedness. So can somebody just be wicked? Carry 10 people's wickedness, one person. Where's my pen? She even left her card here. This girl knows that I don't have money and she just drove out. What am I supposed to do? How can somebody be so heartless? How can somebody be so mean?
Hi.
Hi. Which kind of wahala be all these ones now?
I do. Check your phone. I've been calling. Sometimes you don't pick my call.
Oh. So you're calling me a liar? Like I'm lying now, right?
How? Did I call you a liar? You're accusing me wrongly here.
Shh. Okay. I think you're tired of me, okay? Okay? Marcella, bye.
What? Did he just end the call on me? What is wrong with this guy? For just a mere post? But why did he post the picture in the first place? What is wrong with him now? I need to confront him. I told him not to post the picture. And he went ahead and posted the picture. What is wrong with all these guys?
Steve! Where's this boy? Steve! 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 Steve!
Is that Stella?
Hi. Steve. Come on, Steve. Steve. Come on, Steve. I know I lied. I know I disrespected you. I know I cheated.
Can you skip to the part where you tell me why you were here? I don't even want to ask you how you got my address in the first place. I know that busybody sister of mine told you.
You know she meant no harm. You know the purpose of this is just so that we can be able to work things out together.
Talk about things. I told you I had moved on. Do I need to spell it in capital letters for you to understand?
Steve, I know I messed up. But it's you that I want. You are all that I think about. I want you in my life. You are all I have ever wanted.
You know, the one thing you've said that is right is that you messed up. Or rather, let me rephrase, you had me messed up.
Steve, that's the reason I'm here. Listen. I'm here to apologize. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for all the hurt. I'm sorry for everything that I did. We just have to be able to make it work. I mean, I'm here now. That's the essence of me coming to see you. I'm sorry, Steve. I really am sorry. Please.
No. You know what baffles me, yeah? You know I'm not a wizard. So I'm wondering how God punished me with a witch like you.
Just because I said I won't give you my money, my hard-earned money. Now I have become a witch, eh? No problem.
You didn't just become a witch, oh. You have been a witch since. I'm just realizing it now, unfortunately.
Let me be a witch, no problem. Useless man.
Look at you now. You know my predicament. You know that I do not have money, and yet you had the mind to drive off. If that is not witchcraft, what is it?
Go to hell, man. Rubbish.
Hey, she actually caught the call, though. This girl actually caught the call. I know what to do. I'm going to change. Look, I'm going to withdraw. Nothing will happen. Please, I need money. I would like you to transfer it to an account I'll give you.
How much?
40,000. Let me see what will happen. Nonsense.
Steve? No, catch your phone. But why did you post the picture we took at the mall?
What do you mean? Who are you?
And now my boyfriend has seen it. He's angry with me.
Why would he be angry? How dare he?
Excuse me? Hello, hi. I'm Mama. I'm his fiance. What's going on?
Ex.
What do you mean by ex? We're back together. What do you mean ex? We're back together. What do you mean?
Hey, I'm sorry.
What do you mean you're still? I thought this was a makeup sex. Come on, come back here.
How dare you? What do you mean?
What are you even saying?
What are you saying?
What are you even
Is
saying?
it your money?
It's a joint
I want to know.
What
Is
kind of
it
joint
your
account?
money?
Don't you understand? It's a
Eh?
joint account. I have every right to withdraw money
As
from
soon
that
as you go
account.
back, is it your money? What are you saying as though we go car for? How dare you?
It's a joint account,
Is
all right?
it
I have
your
a right.
money?
It is our money.
My money.
It is our money. It's a joint account, all right?
Shameless
I will
man.
not even apologize.
Shameless
I will
man.
not apologize.
My money.
Get a grip on yourself. Come on now. Just for that.
It's my money.
You shameless man. What are you doing with my money?
No, just babe, that's all right.
You.
It's okay. You're right.
You're crazy.
I know.
I love you.
You're always right.
Okay, baby, let's go, okay?
Yes. Forget it.